Hey, I'm Steve, and this is a follow-up video to my recent video where I put together a galvanized raised garden bed made by Quick Tent. First video I showed you how to put the thing together, and now my wife has actually started planting. She has now filled this raised garden bed with soil and leaves and compost, things like that. And she has her first plants in there. She's got a couple strawberry plants. We don't do a traditional garden, in on our property, but we do plant a lot of things in these raised type beds. So she wanted a large oversized one, and she really loves this one. Now she does have big plans for this one. She will be doing a lot more planting, but initially, here we go. We got some baby strawberries just coming up. They're doing very well. But she will do all kind of vegetables in this garden, and we hope to save money on groceries and eat a lot of food that comes from that raised garden bed. And there's some of the type soil she uses. We love this raised garden bed. I think you will too. So if you're watching this video, I hope you found it helpful.